Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss question number 21 from PSA 2023. Here we are given with two equations and we need to check whether we can solve for probability A and probability B from these two equations. So the basic things that we are going to use is the first one, that probability of A complement is equal to 1 minus probability of A. The second one is the definition of conditional probability. And the third one is that for any event B, we can write probability of B as probability of A intersection B plus probability of A complement intersection B. Because these two events are mutually exclusive and union of these two events will give us the event B. And the last and most important one is that in any system of linear equations, if we want to get unique solution for m unknowns, we must have exactly m independent equations depending on those m unknowns, right? So let us move to the solution. We are given with these things, that probability of A given B and probability of A complement given B complement are these values. So what we will do is, we will simplify these two equations following the 4 points that we already mentioned, and we get these two final equations. You can just pause the video, go back to the previous slide and can see that how we are using 0.3, 2, 1, all this to actually deduce both the equations to get this final equations. So we can see that this final equations are linear in the quantities probability A complement intersection B and probability B and probability A complement. But here we have 3 unknowns and 2 equations. So definitely they cannot be solved uniquely, right, in general. But here for this specific problem, we can see that y and z are 0.4 and 0.6. So 1 minus y minus z is 0, right? So from this equation, probability of A complement can be solved uniquely because the values of y and z are given so that probability of B part is getting vanished. So we are getting the probability of A from this equation, but from the first equation, we cannot simplify it further to get probability of B or probability of A complement intersection B. So what is the right option? It is that we can find probability of A, but not probability of B. So we can get the right option as D. And if you like this video, appreciate yourself for all your hard work. Hare Krishna.